The latest entry in the compact crossover market, the Renault Austral, is an attention grabber. With a commitment to both style and eco-friendly performance, it stands out from its competitors. In this review, we will delve into the key aspects that make this vehicle a top contender. Aesthetically, the Austral features a futuristic and daring design. Its dynamic silhouette showcases sharp lines and an assertive stance, while the expressive LED headlamps and eye-catching taillights guarantee that it won't go unnoticed. This car's exterior is a testament to Renault's dedication to creating visually appealing vehicles. Innovation is a key aspect of the Austral, which boasts cutting-edge features such as a fully digital instrument cluster, a 12-inch infotainment touchscreen, and advanced driver assistance systems. The user-friendly infotainment system ensures that drivers can access important information and entertainment options with ease. Under the hood, an eco-friendly hybrid powertrain takes center stage. The turbocharged gasoline engine works in tandem with an electric motor, striking a balance between power and efficiency. With a combined output exceeding 200 horsepower, the vehicle provides a spirited driving experience without compromising fuel economy. The Austral excels in both handling and ride comfort. Its finely tuned suspension ensures a smooth and composed ride, even on less than perfect surfaces. Precise and well-weighted steering makes the car agile and easy to maneuver in tight spaces, while the all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction under various driving conditions. One of the standout features of this crossover is the integration of Renault's multi-sense system, allowing drivers to customize their driving experience. Drivers can choose from different driving modes, such as Eco, Sport, and Comfort, each adjusting the steering weight, throttle response, and gearbox settings. This flexibility empowers drivers to tailor their driving experience according to their personal preferences and current driving conditions. In terms of connectivity, the Austral provides seamless integration with smartphones. It supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing drivers to easily access their favorite apps, music, and navigation systems. The infotainment system's voice recognition feature adds another layer of convenience, ensuring drivers keep their hands on the wheel and their focus on the road. Further enhancing the driving experience is the Austral's well-insulated cabin. The use of high-quality materials not only contributes to the overall feeling of luxury, but also helps dampen road and wind noise. The resulting quiet environment is particularly noticeable at highway speeds, making long trips more enjoyable. Fuel efficiency is another strong point for the Austral. Its hybrid powertrain not only provides ample power but also reduces fuel consumption. The vehicle's ability to seamlessly switch between the electric motor and gasoline engine, depending on the driving conditions, results in fewer trips to the pump. The inclusion of regenerative braking, which recharges the battery during braking, further enhances its eco-friendly credentials. The Austral also offers an impressive array of optional extras, allowing buyers to add a personal touch to their vehicle. Options range from a panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with natural light to a premium Bose audio system that delivers crisp, clear sound. Renault also offers various customization options, including different wheel designs and an assortment of vibrant exterior colors. The Austral is not just a step but a leap forward for Renault in the compact crossover market. It marries style, performance, and functionality with an impressive commitment to environmentally conscious design. For those in search of a vehicle that ticks all these boxes without breaking the bank, the Renault Austral offers an attractive proposition. Inside, passengers are treated to a comfortable and luxurious experience. The use of high-quality materials combined with a modern, refined aesthetic creates an ambiance typically found in more expensive models. Space is abundant, with ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers, and the cargo capacity is generous for the compact crossover segment. Renault's commitment to safety is evident in the Austral's extensive list of advanced safety features. Standard equipment includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These systems work in harmony to offer drivers an extra layer of protection and peace of mind. In summary, the Renault Austral is a well-rounded and innovative compact crossover that caters to a diverse range of buyers. Its striking design, comfortable interior, state-of-the-art technology, and eco-conscious performance make it a compelling choice for those seeking a stylish, sustainable, and practical vehicle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.